Hello, my name is Jerome. I'm CNC team leader here at Hellebay. My role, my responsibilities are basically looking after my team, making sure the day-to-day process of everything goes well. The machines are all fit for function, making sure we have all the spare parts and everything to do our day-to-day job efficiently. Since I've been at Gripple, my time span here, I've had young children, and Gripple have understood and give me the time and flexibility to be able to spend time with my family as well as work. The kids have got school plays on or anything like that, they allow me to go and watch that school play, come back, make your hours up, we can sort it out after that, which I feel is very good, and not a lot of companies would accommodate for things like that. Whilst being at Gripple, I do believe there is always opportunities to stride forward and better yourself. There's always new job opportunities to come, and they offer in-house training to help set up so you're ready to take that next step in your career. Since I've been here, I've done my apprenticeship, I've done a number of in-house courses that has helped me manage my team and understand how to communicate with people better. I feel like now my team feel confident in me. They can come and speak to me about work stuff or personal life stuff. Within my team we do a lot in work and out of work. We all meet up for social drinks, fun and laughter. I feel like there's never really a dull moment on my section, full of characters. And yeah, we all get on. And if it weren't for Gripple, we wouldn't all know each other. How I've changed the game at Gripple, I believe I've shared all the knowledge that I've learned on my apprenticeship. I've shared with my team to help sure they have a good understanding of exactly what and why they're doing things. I think just by being me, just my normal kind of relaxed, chill back self when things are going right. I'm Jerome and I'm a game changer.